There are 25,000 lawyers in the state of Washington. About 2,500 of them practice in the area of personal injury law. So how do you know you've hired a good lawyer? You can ask him, but chances are he's going to say, "I'm one of the best." Alternatively, you can look on the internet at lawyer ranking and rating systems. Now, the gold standard is the American College of Trial Lawyers. American College of Trial Lawyers is an exclusive organization that limits its membership to lawyers with high ethical standards and who have a proven track record of trying and winning cases that cannot be settled. In the state of Washington, they have about 150 fellows, and about 50 of them practice in the area of personal injury law. So you've limited this down from 2,500 to 50 lawyers. Now, you have to take what I say with a certain grain of salt because I'm one of the 50. Now, one of the oldest ranking systems is the Martindale-Hubbell Legal Directory. That's a 14-volume set. They attempt to rank every lawyer and law firm in the United States. They use a system A, B, C, and unranked. And just like in school, A is the highest ranking. They also give a V for very high ethical standards. So throughout the state of Washington, there are hundreds of lawyers who have an AV rating. And there's really no reason to hire a lawyer with a C or even a B rating. Now, at Brett Murphy, we're proud of the fact that we have a Martindale rating of AV. And you can find Martindale-Hubbell on the internet at martindale.com. Now, the most popular rating system is the annual publication of Washington Law and Politics magazine. It's an informal survey. It's an unscientific survey. It's really a popularity contest among lawyers, but they publish a list they call super lawyers, which is about the top 5% in the state. And again, at Brett Murphy, both Dean Brett and John Murphy are rated as super lawyers. Then there are commercial rating sites. And the commercial site that has the most respect is probably avvo.com. That's avvo.com. They have their own internal proprietary system of rating lawyers. They rate lawyers on a scale of 1 to 10, and 10 being the highest. It's a commercial site, so they do have advertisements, but you can ignore the advertisements, and they give a lot of data. And at Brett Murphy, both Dean Brett and John Murphy have a perfect AVVO score of 10. Now, there's also what I might call negative rating sites. You can look on the Washington State Bar Association to find out if there's ever been any disciplinary action taken against a lawyer. It's probably a good idea to avoid lawyers who've had disciplinary action. At Brett Murphy, we have a combined experience of about 200 years, and none of the lawyers have ever had a Washington State Bar Association ethical violation. In fact, John Murphy was appointed by the Bar Association to be chairman of one of the committees that reviews ethical conduct of lawyers. So rather than asking a lawyer, "How good are you?" you can look up internet ranking and rating services on the internet. You can check under martindale.com. Is it an AV rated lawyer? You can check on Washington Law and Politics. Is it a super lawyer? You can look on avvo.com. Do they have a perfect 10 score? And if you have a significant enough case, you can look to see if the person is a fellow of the American College of Trial Lawyers. Thanks.
Injured? We can help. Brett Murphy, Washington's Injury Lawyers. Offices in Seattle, Tacoma, Spokane, Bellingham, Mount Vernon, and Vancouver.